All right. Good evening, everybody. We're going to do a little recap of the run today. We don't ever do this, so we're just trying something new. It'll be a good way to tie all the little videos that we edit together and give a little pre-description of it. Anyway, we ran at the spillway today. The park was kind of choked up with grass, they said, so we drove out to the spillway. Nice little area. Gnats were really, really bad, but other than that, the water was great. Lots of room. So we had a couple of milestones with Trey and I's boats. He ran his M700, and what did it do?
51.
51 miles an hour. So 51 miles an hour, that same setup in the Wild Thing only went 47. So that boat has potential. We're kind of working out some weird trim issues that it's having right now. It wants to lean over to the side a little bit. So if we can work that out, it definitely will be faster than the Wild Thing was. That's a P-limited 4S setup. So 51, it never comes in hot or anything, but still working on the bugs. Then Trey ran the Blackjack on 3S, and it absolutely screamed.
At 65.
65 miles an hour on 3S. So we're running, we basically set that boat up to run it on 2S. It's got a 4200 kV motor, which is a little bit low for 2S, but in the big boat, I figured it would work all right. And we started running 3S with some little cheap Z packs, and we got 58 last week, and then we did one prop change. We went from a 40 millimeter prop to a 42 millimeter prop, and he went 65 miles an hour on 3S, which we thought was crazy fast. So the boat just comes alive. It also did some barrel rolls about 3 different times, both him and me trying to run it. But we made a bunch of good passes with it over 60, and we got the GPS showing 65. And then so the other milestone was the Wild Thing. I had a 6S pack, courtesy of Mr. Chris. And I was kind of up in the air on whether I wanted to try and run it in anything, because we don't run anything over 4S, so none of the boats are really set up for it that I think. But anyway, I considered running it in the Wild Thing. The Wild Thing has a big enough motor. It's a little bit high KV, 2250 for 6S. But I just figured I'd give it a shot. So basically what I did was I took the big prop off it that I normally run on 4S, and I put a little 40 millimeter 3-blade prop. That was the first prop that I ever ran on that boat when I first got it with the little motor. And we threw the 6S pack in there, and the video only shows 1 or 2 passes, but it was running over 70 miles an hour for a couple minutes after that. The first little pass, it went 75. So that was, I was just hoping it was going to break 60 on the 6S pack. That would have made me happy. So if it went, it's going 56 is the fastest it's gone before on 4S, I think.
Yeah, when it dunked.
When it dunked it a couple weeks ago, right? Yeah, it dunked it and lost the hatch and everything else. It went 56. I had a bunch of passes in the low 50s, and so I was just gonna. If it went 60 miles an hour, I'd have been tickled to death. When I flashed the GPS thing over and it showed 75, I was like, hell yeah. So, and that was if the footage looks a little awkward with the GPS things, the technology is a little weird to me, so I'm still trying to figure it out. That's those Sky RC GPS modules that we're using now. They work good, but I still don't know what I'm doing, and Trey's kind of helping me walk through it. So anyway, so we went 51 with the M700, 65 with the Blackjack, and 75 with the Wild Thing. And then we had a few fast boats out there. Chris had an Animal Cat from Grudge Marine. That boat, I don't know exactly how fast it was, but he said it was running over 80, and it looked like it, and he was barely able to get on the throttle all the way, so it probably has a lot more in it. And then we saw a couple other fast boats. Robbie had his, a Zealous. That's a fast little cat that he run, and the little small Blackjack 24s. A couple of people out there have them. Robbie and Brian both have really fast ones. A couple other guys out there brought some nice boats. Had a nice turnout. And Mr. Perry, his poor boat, he had that big Hellcat. I don't know how big it is, but it's close to must be almost as long as Trey is tall. And he threw it in the water and made a couple of little passes with it, and said he wasn't going to go fast, and you knew as soon as he opened it up that he was going wide open. And about 30 seconds later, maybe 2 passes, and it flipped over and almost sunk. So had some damage to the hull, and hatch blew off and got lost. So kind of sucks, but hopefully he'll get it back running soon enough. But anyway, we will see how this goes. It's going to add another 6 minutes onto the video that's already going to be who knows how long. So it might take 2 days to upload this one, but we'll see what it does. We got all day tomorrow. Trey's going to help me edit the stuff together, and then we'll upload it to YouTube and see what happens. So anyway, we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the pond. Bye. Ready? Here we go. All right, good Sunday, everybody. We are at a new spot. This is the Bonnet Carre Spillway. The park that we usually run at got overrun by grass, so this is where we at. First run, and we running the Sky RC GPSs today. So moving around, got a little movement, and we're about to go see what the M700 will do. We're running a 44mm 3-blade prop today. What do you want? Yeah? Ready?
Go ahead, track start.
Track. Start. There you go, just put it in your pocket. Are you running it wide open, or?
Yeah.
Prop might be too big for it. Leaning over real hard to one side. You want to bring it in and check the speed?
Sure.
Alright, let's see. Alright, check your speed, dude. Turn it so it doesn't. Alright, let's see what that one did.
Read.
Stop. No, dude, you just messed up. You erased your whole thing. Oh, wow. 51 miles an hour. So it did work better.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. 51, guys. We'll let him run it in a little bit. We'll be back. Hey guys, we're doing the M500 3S Sky RC GPS test. So I'll just leave it on going like that? And that's
Yeah.
fine? Okay, alright. Good glasses.
Watch out, there's.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what they got. So, stop, read, 54.
Wait, this one. There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Alright. Alright guys, we're back. 26-inch blackjack. We're at the 2S setup. We're running a little bit higher lifting prop this time, a little more pitch. 2S. And can we see it? Movement. Alright. See what happens.
Yeah.
Alright. I don't like that prop. Not for that boat. Maybe on 3S, but. All right, bring it over here. Let's check the speed. Maybe it's deceiving. It's making the back swallow around, huh? All right, get your speed. See what you got. Stop, read. 46. All right, so it's slow. You want to change the prop real quick?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna change the prop. We'll be back. All right, guys, we switched to a 42 millimeter 3-blade, still 2S. Wait till Mr. Robbie goes and you can turn around. All right, go ahead. Watch it. See the big, look at that big old giant turtle right there. Yeah. Go ahead. Watch, there's people fishing, dude, so. Get it. Alright, turn.
I'll bring it in.
If you want, whatever you
I'll
want
do
to do.
one more.
Alright, go one more. Hold the radio up if you're cutting out a little bit. Mm-hmm. Going again, or sure? Go one more time. Is it slowing down yet? Get on. Can I drop it one time? You want to stop filming, or you want to?
There's a boat coming.
Yeah, I see.
I think it's slowing down.
Do the GPS check.
45. With
I
the
wonder
little.
if it didn't do it when we were. Alright, well that's alright. That's 2S. So, alright guys, 4S, Wild Thing. We're trying a 1.6 pitch high rate prop, 2-blade. Never been run on this boat before. GPS is set, zeroed out, got movement, start, track, start. Let's see.
I'm gonna get over here.
All right. Alright guys, that was a failed attempt at a high pitch prop. We're back with the 44mm 3-blade. We're going to throw the GPS back on it, and we got movement, so we're ready to go.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yeah. Oh, it's coming right towards us.
Yeah. They ain't scared, that's for sure. Alright, let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Stop. Read. 53.
That's good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, running the M700 on a 7,000 milliamp 4S pack. Ready? You run it closer to shore. You want to bring it in and check the speed, and then you can just run it until you're ready. All right, point it out that way so it doesn't drift into. There you go. Little speed check.
So, 51.
Can't see it. 51 again. All right, that's good.
50.
Last run GPS, 50 miles an hour. All right.
He's straight across. In the middle.
Guys, we're gonna run the Blackjack on 3S. Previous top speed was 58, so this is a slightly bigger prop. It's on, dude. Got a little movement there, and I'm gonna throw it in the water.
Yeah, you can see that it's flat. Like it doesn't look like a cup. That's so
I think it might be faster, bro. Thinking we broke 60. Easy on it, okay? Nice, dude. That is awesome. Good. What you doing? You check? All right, make sure it stays parallel to the shore. All right, do a speed check real quick. I'm gonna guess 62. 65. 65 on 3S. Holy crap.
Hey, I got 60.
She's watch, there's something right in front of you, so you see it? $65. Holy crap, dude. Dude, that thing is cooking. That's 3S. Well, dude, it might be dying. You can't get another pull. It's all right on that. All right, now watch it make a lot of ripples on the water, okay? Get on it a little sooner than you will before. Ready?
Yep.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do a 6S pass on this wild thing. It's gonna be a real quick loop around and back just to see what it does. I have no idea what it's gonna run like. I got a little bitty prop on it, 40 millimeter, just to be safe. We got the GPS in it. It is working. It got very hot last time, so hopefully I never heard anything, but do I need to reset it? Oh, no, that's good. All right.
You got extremely close.
We're gonna check the speed. So, what do we do?
Hit
Lead.
stop. No.
No? Ain't no
Hit
way.
stop.
Holy crap.
How fast?
75.
75?
75. Where's Chris at? That was his battery that I put in there. 75. Here's a funny outtake. It was too cute not to put in there. So anyway, see y'all later.
Hey everybody. We're trying to figure out how we could relay the video information to you guys because we
Did you restart it?